In this quick video, I am going to show you how to make PPT presentation with pictures in laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now firstly, open PowerPoint app in your computer. Once you open it, you can choose to start with blank presentation, or you can choose any template from here to start your PPT. I am going with blank presentation. Once you open your presentation, so as you can see, multiple objects are here. So I just need to get rid of this. For that, I'll simply press Ctrl A and select all, and then you can delete all of the presets from here. Now to insert or add any picture, firstly we need to tap on Insert tab from the top ribbon. Once we press on it, then you will see multiple options here. If you want to insert any picture from your computer, then tap on Pictures, and from here you can choose multiple options. First option is this device. If you have any picture on your computer, then you can simply select this option, choose the picture from your device and tap on Insert, and then that picture will be inserted on your slide. If you have any picture online, then you can simply again go to Insert tab, tap on Picture and choose Stock Images, and all the stock images will be shown. If you have any online image, then you can tap on Pictures, and from here choose Online Pictures, and you can download any picture and insert it on your slide. But I want to insert an image from my device and I did that. Now if you want to crop your image, then select your image, tap on Picture Format, and from here we can choose to have custom shape for our image. For that, select your image, go to Picture Format, and here under Crop we need to select Crop to Shape, and from here you can choose any shape. So I can simply go with this rounded corner shape, and we can adjust the corners of our image from here as well. If you want to resize your image, then go to any corner of your image and you can drag the corners and adjust the image according to your need. So I just want to place my image here. If you want to insert any title for your image or your slide, then go to Insert, and here we need to select Text Box, and now you can simply drag the text box on your slide, and I can name anything here. So simply I can type here Lion King, and then we can adjust the size of our text from these options. I can simply make it 54. I can bold it by simply pressing Ctrl B on my keyboard. And now if you have any description or any paragraph for your image, then we can repeat the process of Insert, Text Box, and now select the portion where you want to insert your text. So I have selected the portion, and now you can simply paste or type your description. So this is the description. I want to increase the size. So for that you can simply use this arrow and you can increase the size of your text. I want to make it like this, and there you go. But I need to slightly adjust the position of my text just like this. And now if you want to change the background of your slide, then for that right click on your slide and you will find an option of Format Background. Tap on it, and now from here we need to select Picture or Texture. So we need to select it, then tap on Insert, and now click on From a File, and now select the background which you want to have for your slide. I have this background. I'll select it, tap on Insert, and our background will be changed. I need to change the color of my text. So for that I'll select my text, and we can change the color from here just like this. And in case you have multiple slides and you want to have the same format of your slide, then for that select your slide and press Ctrl D on your keyboard, and then your slide will be duplicated on the PPT. And now in case you want to change the image, then firstly select the picture, right click on it, and then go to Change Picture, and from here choose this device, and now we can choose our different image. So I have this image, so I'll just select it, tap on Insert, and then your image will be changed on the place of your previous image. And in case you want to adjust the size of your second image, then right click on it, tap on Crop, and now you can adjust the corners and fit your image inside your picture format just like this. And now you can change the text as well from here. So I can simply name it Zebra. And now to start your presentation, press F5 on your keyboard and your slide will start from the beginning just like this. So this is the process to make PPT with pictures in laptop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.